From Italy, I decided to go to Amsterdam, which was the first country that I didn't have any friends at. Amsterdam was the first place that I actually needed to use a GPS, and I noticed that it wouldn't give me directions without Wi-Fi, so I just used the dot on the map to help guide where I was going. So I would just walk and see where the dot was moving, and I would be able to tell whether or not I was going in the right direction. I stuck to the sunrise-sunset plan, meaning I would sleep all day, get up for sunset, stay up all night with the nightlife, get sunrise, then sleep again. It's really easy to get lost pretty much anywhere in Europe or the UK, but it's especially easy to get lost in Amsterdam because every street is pretty much like a tunnel. So there's no real way to tell where you're going. Then there's rivers and there's waterways that really don't help very much. I walked around a lot, just wanted to explore what Amsterdam was like, and I noticed that there's a ton of bikes. Like way too many bikes. I went out at night, saw what the red light was like, saw some clubs, and then I just really wanted to experience what other people were like. So I stayed in the hostel most of the time and just got to know people. A lot of the street signs in Amsterdam and most of these countries are on the buildings, so it's really easy to miss the signs, and it's really easy for them to get blocked out by trees.